place in the pre-budget meeting with the trade unions, what they had to say, what were their demands to the FM, and then we'll come back and we'll listen in to what Food Secretary has to say.
We have proposed before the finance minister, the focus of the budget should be on 6 points, particularly rural development, MSME, infrastructure, exports and skill development. And we appealed primarily finance minister to give highest priority to 93% of unorganized sector workforce. So, for example, the NREGA scheme, MG NREGA scheme should be extended to 200 days per family. And it should be linked with all type of agricultural and its allied activities.
Okay, anything which is with regard to minimum pension and EPFO?
Exactly. We requested the Honorable Minister to increase the minimum pension from 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees along with the linking with VDA and Ayushman Bharat scheme. Okay. At the same time, we also asked the Prime Minister to bring back the OPS system and any type of pension system. The minimum pension should be the 50% of last salary should be the assured pension. This is our major demand. Along with that, we have implemented the workers' issues of BD workers issue, a major issue which 80 lakhs people are suffering.
Okay. And one important issue which is long pending is the implementation of labor codes, which has already been approved by the parliament.
Exactly,
so any
sir.
apprehension that you have made?
No, actually we have requested the Prime Minister regarding the immediate implementation of wage code and the social security code.
On behalf of TUCC as General Secretary, I have a vast suggestions came from different states and different sectoral federations working under TUCC. So I have raised the issue of domestic workers, the ASA Anganwadi scheme workers, because they are not getting the minimum wages, because they are not being defined as workers. So we have demanded that should be amendment and they should be brought under workers ambit. So this is scheme workers, Anganwadi, ASA and these domestic workers, if they brought in, they will get the minimum wages and social security, number one. Number two, we have told about the international migrant workers, because India is getting $110 billion remittances from this 2 crore diaspora of Indian people settling abroad and working there. So, because that e-migrant management bill is pending in the parliament, so I have requested the Honorable Finance Minister to take care of it, and so that it can be enacted immediately, so that their life can be decent and their migration can be decent and the revenue of Indian can grow.
So are you and your organization is ready with the proposal that you have that has already been there in place when it comes to amalgamation of all labor laws into 4 codes, which has already been approved by the parliament but yet to be implemented? So any such specific suggestions that you have made to the finance minister?
Yes, you see, this was a second labor commission which has recommended the codification, simplification of these labor laws under Rabindra Burma. Rabindra Burma was once upon, he was a labor minister of government. Now, amalgamation, we are ready. We have no issue on that, and in these 2 codes, at least the minimum, these code on wages and code on social security, more or less we agree on that. But in
All right, so those are the suggestions coming in post the pre-budget meeting with the finance minister. That's from the trade unions, but the center.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.